Hello everyone, all the dear students of 10th class. I am Sri A. N. Gonugade, Assistant Teacher Sri Nageshwar High School, Rashudi Budruk. Today we are going to learn from Mathematics 1 from first chapter linear equation in two variable. We are going to learn about the applications of simultaneous equation, means we are going to solve some word problem. So we take first example. The sum of age of Deepak and age of Radhika is 25 years. 4 years ago, Radhika's age was 5 years less than Deepak's age. Find their present ages. In every example, there are two quantities, and we want to find out these two quantities. In this example, we want to find out the present ages of Deepak and Radhika. So age of Deepak and age of Radhika are two unknown quantities, and for that we assume the variables. We assume he is Deepak and she is Radhika, and present age of Deepak is equal to x years and present age of Radhika is equal to y years. So we assume two variables for two quantities. So we solve this example. Let present age of Deepak is equal to x years, present age of Radhika is equal to y years. In every example there are two conditions. We want to find out these two conditions. In this example, there is first condition, which we show by using red color. The sum of age of Deepak and age of Radhika is 25 years. So we write from first condition, age of Deepak plus age of Radhika is equal to 25 years. And then we assume age of Deepak is x, age of Radhika is y. So x plus y is equal to 25. This is first equation. Then there is second condition from this example. 4 years ago, Radhika's age was 5 years less than Deepak's age. So from second condition, today's age of Deepak is x years. So 4 years ago the age of Deepak is x minus 4 years. Today's age of Radhika is y years. So 4 years ago Radhika's age is equal to y minus 4 years. And then condition is 4 years ago Radhika's age was 5 years less than Deepak's age. So Radhika is younger than Deepak by 5 years. So if we want to make the age of Deepak is equal to age of Radhika, then we want to add 5 into age of Radhika. So from that we get the equation like this: x minus 4 is equal to y minus 4 plus 5. X minus 4 is age of Deepak, y minus 4 is age of Radhika. We add 5 in age of Radhika, then it is equal to age of Deepak. So this total information is converted into the equation, and then we make it simple: variables at left hand side and constant number at right hand side. So for that the steps are as follows. We remove the bracket, then make simplification, then we take variables at one side and constant number at one side, and by solving we get the second equation: x minus y is equal to 5. So x plus y is equal to 25, it is first equation, and x minus y is equal to 5, it is second equation. Now there are two equations and we want to solve this. It is a simultaneous equation, so there are few methods to solve simultaneous equation, as like elimination method, substitution method, or we can solve it by Cramer's rule. But here we are going to solve it by elimination method. The coefficient of x same and the coefficient of y also same. The signs of coefficients of y different, plus and minus. So when we take the addition of these two equations, the variable y is cancelled. Then we write here adding equation 1 and 2. So we add these two equations, vertical method. So x plus x 2x and y minus y 0, means y and y cancel, and 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. So we get 2x is equal to 30. Then by solving we get the value of x as 15. Then we put this value in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So here we put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 25, and we get the value of x as 15. So we put here, and then we get the value of y as 10. And hence we assume the present age of Deepak is x years and present age of Radhika is y years. So we get the present age of Deepak is equal to 15 years and present age of Radhika is equal to 10 years. So this is final answer. So we solve this first example. So whenever we are going to solve the example, first of all we want to find out the two quantities and then assume it as variables x, y, m, n, p, q, etc. And then we want to find out the first condition, and then we get first equation. We want to find out second condition, and from that we get second equation, and by using certain method we get the value of x and y, and then we write final answer. Then we are going to solve the second example. Complete the following. This is the activity. I am a rectangle. So this is the figure of rectangle, and the sides are given in algebraic expressions. 2x plus y plus 8, x plus 4, 4x minus y, 2y, like this. Then find values of x and y. From this information we want to find out the values of variables x and y, and then find my perimeter and area. And the question is find out my perimeter, means the perimeter of rectangle, and area of the rectangle. Now we are going to solve this example. Now the variables are already there, x and y. We want to find out the conditions and obtain the equations. Now there is rectangle, and we know that the property of rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle are of equal lengths. So opposite sides are equal. So here we take 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y are the lengths of rectangle, and 2y and x plus 4 are the breadth of the rectangle. And from this property 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y are equal. So this information is converted into equation. Also x plus 4 and 2y are the opposite sides and they are of equal lengths, so we write their equal sign. And then making simplification by solving, taking variables one side, constant terms another side, we get the first equation as minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. Again we obtain the second equation as by taking variables at the left hand side and constant term at the right hand side. We get x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. So these are two equations from the given total information from the given conditions. Now we want to solve the simultaneous equation. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 4, x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. So again we use here elimination method. The coefficient of x same and their signs are different, so we want to take the addition. Equation 1 and 2, by vertically we add these two equations. So minus x plus x cancel, y minus 2y means minus y, and minus 4 plus minus 4 means minus 8. So we get minus y is equal to minus 8. Both sides their minus sign or negative sign, so finally we get y is equal to 8. Then putting this value in equation 1 or 2, here we put this value in equation 1. At the place of y we write 8, so we get minus x plus 8 is equal to minus 4. Then we get minus x is equal to minus 4 minus 8, so minus 6 is equal to minus 12. So both sides there is minus sign, so cancelling it we get x is equal to 12. So we get the values of variables x and y. X is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. Now we want to find out the perimeter and area of the rectangle, and we know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. So here length of the rectangle we take it as 4x minus y. So 4x minus y and 2x plus y plus 8 are the lengths of the rectangle, and both are equal. So here we take length of rectangle 4x minus y, and putting the value of x as 12 and y as 8, and by solving we get length is 40. Length of the rectangle is 40. Again we find out breadth of the rectangle. We take here as 2y. 2y and x plus 4 are the breadth of the rectangle. So we take here breadth of the rectangle is equal to 2y. Also you can take x plus 4, and then by putting values 2 into 8, so we get breadth as 16. So we find here length and breadth of the rectangle. Then the final answer, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So putting value 40 into 16, we get 640 square unit, and perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. By putting value and solving we get perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 112 unit. So like this we solve two examples based on simultaneous equations. So these are all things in this video. Thank you very much.